wanted to share my favourite place in the world with you all. This is my rainforest garden. This is what we see from the outside. Go in here to all of my rainforesty plants. Take a right. My bromeliads. Gonna have to put my umbrella down because it's getting caught up in everything. Giant elephant ear under the canopy. More bromeliads. Resident turtle. This is a red cedar, poinsettia. Brain snap, I've forgotten what these are. Good Lord, Vicky. I've got that many of them in the garden, you think I'd know. That's Alzheimer's for you. Beautiful flowers. A yellow poinsettia. Ginger. Heliconias, they are. Heliconias. Beautiful flowers on the heliconias. They last for a long time too. Flamethrower palm. More gingers, cycads, more flamethrower palms ready to put in. That's a fallen stump, waiting for that to be taken away. This is ginger, it's put a bit of a hole in the garden. Strelitzia tree, I think that's a Strelitzia Nicolai. Mirrors for the birds. The peacocks love it in here. They usually sit in front of this mirror. I'll come in here and find 3 peacocks sitting in front of that. More bromeliads. Turnabouts. And this is can't remember what, I think it's a type of philodendron, I can't remember, but I know it is toxic, so don't eat it. Another mirror for the birds. Monstera delicia, it's getting fruit on it. See if I can beat the possums to the fruit when they ripen. And back down to the newest part of my rainforest garden. Doug's been working in this garden this week and tidying up the paths for me because the birds have been getting in and pulling all the soil everywhere. Golden cane tree, golden palm, golden palm. Bamboo over there. This one's supposed to get yellow pom-poms on it, but I haven't seen any yet. More of the My brain's gone again. More ginger. This one's a Philippine orchid. It's really pretty when it's got flowers on it. There was one in there, but I forgot to show you. This side of the garden has got a lot of native plants in it, but a lot of them died along the fence here, and it looks like this wattle tree's starting to die. So I'm just replacing them with rainforest plants as they die. So, white snowball tree. It looks like it's struggling a little bit. A couple of gingers, a red banana tree, which likes living there. So this is the new part of the garden. Red pandanus. Lovely tree, but I wouldn't recommend growing it if you're going to be walking very close to it, because you can see the razor-like teeth on the leaves and they will rip your arm off. Another heliconia. More gingers. Gymea lily. This is a little Chinese elm tree that grew from a stick on the ground. I've put it in there and it looks like it might survive. We'll see how it goes. This is down the back behind the rainforest garden. There's the dam over there. There's a couple of the peacocks, well, peahens, those ones. There should be another one around, because one of them, oh no, that's the boy, and the one on the right's the baby and the one on the left is mum. And this is the outside of the new garden. As you can see, I've got a couple of big stumps that I'm growing bromeliads out of. Really happy with them. Drilled a couple of holes in this one. I think I might put some smaller ones in it and see how they go. Although they look like they're full of water, but anyway. So, yeah, loving my rainforest. I've got some really nice bromeliads. Really nice bromeliads. A lot of people don't like bromeliads, but I love them. Some of them are pretty ugly, but most of them are fairly nice. This one here, this big one here, it looks like it's on its way out, but that's the flower spike that it threw, and it's dying on the ground now, and it's starting to drop all of its little seeds. I've watched this bromeliad over 6 months get bigger and bigger and grow that beautiful flower. It's one of my favourite ones in there, that deep red one. Another stump that I've got a bromeliad growing in. And more bromeliads here. That one gets here's the flower spike on that one. That's really pretty. Don't know the names of them all, but anyway. So this stump here, it's got bromeliads growing out of it. The tree fell down out the front and it was totally hollow inside. So we cut it up and used it for flower pots. And these, oh, there's another flower on a heliconia in there. I don't know if you can see it there, heliconia. And we've got these dragon fruit growing up the tree, so we'll see how we go with dragon fruit this year. And then we turn around here quickly to this garden here. It's heliconias and gingers and coleuses. And little oasis in there. And my retreat where I sit and ponder my garden. Peacock Palace. It's where the peacocks sleep at night, or the babies do, mum and babies. This garden's another rainforesty type garden. That's a claret ash tree, but it's never had claret leaves on it yet. And we'll go down the boardwalk. Sorry if I'm boring you all. You can always turn it off. Put my umbrella up. This is native garden along here. There's those two pesky peacocks down there. There they are, a bit fuzzy. Robin's Veggie Garden. And here are some succulents. Oh, those noise you can hear, they're the guinea fowl having a hissy fit. So these ones here, that's a Madagascar palm, and I put these succulents in. I'm not sure what that pink one's called. I put one succulent in there and look how they cascade. They have multiplied and they are absolutely stunning. So we've put some in with the Madagascar palms as well to see what they do in there. Hopefully they look like those ones back there. They are beautiful. Then more native garden with a push bike. Every native garden should have a push bike. That's sweet pea on the right and cheeky on the left. This is the dam. The boat has sunk. No swimming. Got a crocodile down the back. Banana tree. Still waiting for bananas. Hello, Cheeky. How you going? Hey, Cheeky. What you doing? And here's out. Windmill. With a bathtub underneath. Every yard should have a windmill with a bathtub underneath. Two liquid amber trees, the little one's the prettiest. And down the back, Duck Island needs a bit of a clean up. It's got a few, it's a proper island now, it's got weeds and everything growing on it. And then dam is full. This is a water plant that I've got, can't remember what it's called. But I'll probably need to get a backhoe in to get it out in another couple of years because it is humongous since I put it in. Here's the resident crocodile. He's my 60th birthday present. So he's 8.5 years old. Dam's overflowing well, running down the back. And that'll probably do. You'll be bored silly anyway.